Today's topic is top programming language in 2020. If you are a fresher, an experienced person, and if you wanted to stay updated, so this video is for you. In this video, you will come to know which programming language is trending in real world from the horse's mouth. I am Harshal Chaudhary. I have been developing and architecting a software at commercial level for well over 12-year experience. So let's jump into that. So which is the programming languages trending? So I am switching the window in web. Which programming language is trending now? So I have opened here to Google and I have typed which programming language has been trending. So I'm just clicking on it. So the result has been came here. Which language are trending now? So Python, Java, JavaScript and C#. These are the 4 languages are trending now. If you wanted to see the details, you can click on it and you will get the details, ranking and what is the trending readings. You can find it here. I'll give the link in description below so you will do your own research. So again I'm switching. We are seeing here Google trend screen. So if you wanted to see the actual trending in Google, then let's move into that. So I am switching again. So this is the Google trend, and if you wanted to see the which programming language is trending, we have seen already which programming language is trending now. So I'm just typing the Python here and the Python programming language. So you will see the results, which programming language are doing into this country, United States, and what are the regions they are doing, what is the searching criteria. You can see here what is the related topic the people are searching into this specific programming language, what are the similar query they are using exactly. So you can walk through that. If you wanted to see the worldwide, then you can see here to the worldwide region, and I would suggest to prefer choose the duration last 5 years, so it will give the exact picture what's the programming language doing over the time. So here is the complete picture for the worldwide, what is the trending, what are the related topic and what are the query people has searched here. So you will come to know that is the agenda, main things. So I will add a few more programming language that will help us to understand what exact trending. So I'm just typing the Java programming language. Then after that I'll add it JavaScript as a programming language. I'll add a C# as a programming language, and last not the but least, I'll add the C++ programming language. So here the worldwide reading has been arrived for these 5 languages. So every language has a own color code specified by the Google Trends, and you can see here the actual readings, what is the exact performing, and you can see here the latest trends about these programming languages over the worldwide. So actually this is the things. If you wanted to search the specific country and region, then I'm just selecting the India and just quickly wanted to show you how it's doing in India. So you can see here the trend is Java is very super high, and if you see here over the last 5 years, so it is up to the downside, but it is performing well. So you can see the current trend is there. Python is in top. So this is the trend, Google trend. and I just wanted to show you quickly walk through. I'll give the link in description below, so that would help you to do your own research. I'm again switching to the window to main topic. So here there's so many organizations doing the survey, and what are those? We'll look into that. So first survey is Stackoverflow. I'm just switching to a window and just let's show you what is the exact survey says. Stackoverflow, it is an authentic site. Everyone is know what is the exact Stack Overflow, and just move into that. Which programming language is trending now? Just I wanted to quickly show you here. So many other things also they have provided. You can quickly walk through what are the developer has been participated, what's their profile, what's their experience, various kind of experience they have it. You can quickly see here. I'll show you that one as well. But first of all, we'll stick to the agenda and I'll show you the what is the programming languages trending now. So you can see here the few programming languages are loved to learn by developer. What is the fear of learning the programming and which are those? You can see here. And last not the least, so these are the listed programming languages. You can see here what are the development tools the people are using. Most important thing, what is the exact skill set the developer having and what is the exact they are earning throughout the year. Here is the describe the survey. So you can see here the most important factor, what is the correlated technology, because of the only single language is not sufficient to make a career into the IT industry. If you are looking for the Microsoft Azure developer, then you should know the what are the correlated technology as related to Azure. So you should know about it: C#, ASP.NET, .NET Core, and .NET Standard. These are the few frameworks that you should know about it, and the Microsoft server, SQL Server in that as well. So these are the correlated technology. If you wanted to looking for the web developer, then you should know the Java, JavaScript, HTML, and few the JavaScript framework as well. The Stack Overflow doing this survey every year, and I just wanted to quickly walk through here what is exact. So I'm just tweaking the URL as a 19 and quickly show you exact things. So this is the 2019 survey. Here you can see the overview, key result, developers, what are the developers has been participated into this survey. The worldwide survey is that what is the exact role they have it, what is the exact experience they have it, what are the education they have it. So you can quickly walk through that as well. I'll just again tweak the URL here. So typing the 18, so it will give you the complete picture. I have shown you previously similar things you can see here. So we will move into the next survey. Next survey is GitHub. I am switching to the web browser and let's see the survey. So this is the GitHub survey, and I am just quickly walk through what are the top programming languages. So you can see there is so many more inputs. So we are sticking to the agenda, which are the top programming language. You can quickly you can do your own analysis. Yeah. So This is the top programming language and how they are doing. So here the map is showing or graph is showing. It is a historical data as well since from the 2014 to 19. So you can see here the ranking is switching between those programming. So you can see JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP and C Sharp. These are the top programming language. I'll give the link in description below, so that would be helpful to do your own analysis and research and make the decision. We are again switching to the next survey. So codingame.com, it is also well-known organization. I'm just switching to the web browser and just show you the details. So which programming language tools developer know best? So these are the readings and those are the responses. Every survey is a worldwide survey. Again, we will move into the next survey. So let's see survey number 4, and I'm just moving to web browser. So these are the survey number 4, and you will get the readings, what are the programming language are trending and what is exactly the things are doing. So we are moving into the next slide. If you really love this video, like and share. I would like to know how you have started the programming language and what are the resources you have been utilized. So please let me know your thoughts into the comment section below. The first programming language is always hardest to learn. Good luck and enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining me for a video. I'll see you in the next one.